Ever look at a chart and wonder, why this color? Why this layout? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study that deciphers how students approach data visualization, what they prioritize, how they justify their choices, and why some designs resonate while others fall flat. Most research focuses on interpreting charts like, what does this bar graph mean? But this team took a different path. They asked, how do designers actually make their choices? What's the reasoning behind the colors, layouts, and tools they pick? To uncover these answers, they turned to literate visualization notebooks, not just sketches or code, but detailed journals where students document their entire design process. Think of them as a designer's diary. They include code, visuals, and why each element was chosen. For instance, a student might write, I used red for crime data because it's a strong, attention-grabbing color. The researchers collected these notebooks from students in a data visualization course. Then they broke down the design choices into 10 core concepts, like color schemes, layout, or interactivity. But how do you turn handwritten notes into structured data? Enter AI. They used large language models to scan the notebooks and generate QAR triples, question-answer-rationale sets. Imagine a student writes, I used a bar chart because it's great for comparisons. The AI would transform that into question, why did you choose a bar chart? Answer, it's good for comparing categories. Rationale, bars make it easy to see differences at a glance. But here's the catch, AI isn't perfect. The team manually reviewed every entry to ensure accuracy. Did the question align with the student's work? Was the rationale rooted in their notes? For example, if a student sketched a map but didn't code it, the AI might reference a chart that didn't exist. Those cases were filtered out. The result? A unique dataset that captures the thought process behind visualizations. It's not just about what was made, it's about why. And the insights are fascinating. Take color, for instance. It was the most frequently discussed concept. Students often chose hues based on meaning, like green for positive or red for negative, or accessibility. One even skipped color entirely to keep the design simple. Or look at layout. Some debated whether to stack charts vertically or place them side by side. Others focused on narrative flow, structuring visuals like a story to guide viewers step by step. But here's the kicker, this dataset isn't neutral. It's shaped by the student's biases, experiences, and assumptions. For example, a student might prioritize aesthetics over clarity, or favor familiar tools over innovative ones. These insights reveal the human element behind data design, proving that even the most technical decisions are deeply personal. So next time you see a chart, remember, every color, every layout, every choice is a story. This study doesn't just explain how we visualize data, it shows why we do it that way. And that's where the real power of data lies, not in the numbers themselves, but in the minds that shape them.